Let's start with something uncomfortable. Right now, this week, you've probably lost money. Not because your services are bad, not because your clients didn't trust you, but because you forgot to follow up. Someone filled out a form. You didn't call back. Someone asked for a quote. You emailed them and then disappeared. A client was ready to renew. You missed the window. No reminder, no system, no sale. And you know what? This happens all the time. But what if I told you there's a tool that solves this problem completely? A tool that tracks every lead, every conversation, every dollar in progress. That reminds you what to say, when to say it, and how to keep clients happy before they even realize they need help. That tool is called CRM, Customer Relationship Management. And no, it's not just for salespeople. Today, CRM is your financial growth engine. And if you're not using one, or not using it right, you're building your business on guesswork. Let me explain. Business is a memory game. Think about your best client right now. Do you remember the first time they contacted you? What they were struggling with? What services they wanted? Which email they responded to? When they signed the contract? Now multiply that by 20, 50, or 100 clients. Human memory can't scale, but systems can. CRM is not just a digital notebook. It's a living brain for your business. It remembers every email, call, deal, and note automatically. And that's priceless. CRM equals cash recovery mode. Let's get into the financials. Businesses that use CRM systems see 29% increase in revenue, % increase in customer satisfaction, % boost in productivity, up to 300% more accurate forecasting. This is not fluff, this is data. It comes from tracking behavior, optimizing follow-up, and eliminating manual errors. If every lead costs $50 in ads or time to acquire, and you're losing 10 a month due to disorganization, that's $6,000 a year straight down the drain. CRM catches those leaks and turns lost opportunities into closed deals. Automation equals freedom. Let's break a myth. CRM doesn't add work. It removes it. Modern CRM platforms do the heavy lifting, send automatic follow-up emails after meetings, remind you when to check in with a client, move leads through your sales pipeline, tag client interests, and segment them, alert you when a lead opens your pricing sheet, sync with your calendar and Zoom. Even automate proposals, invoices, or renewal notices. You set the rules once, and the CRM plays them 24/7. You're not just more organized. You're multiplying your time from chaos to clarity. The real power of C is CRM. Let's look at the typical finance business. Leads in your inbox, notes in your head, calls in your calendar, tasks scribbled on sticky notes. Client birthdays, you forgot again. Now imagine this. You log into your CRM dashboard. You instantly see 10 new leads, ranked by engagement, 3 deals in negotiation, with reminders. Set 5 clients due for follow-up this week. 2 high-risk clients flagged based on inactivity forecast. $23,000 in potential revenue this month. That's not fiction. That's real visibility. And it's how top financial advisors, consultants, and agencies scale fast. CRM in action, a real story. Let me tell you about Martin. Martin runs a small tax advisory firm. He had loyal clients, great word of mouth, but he plateaued. Why? He was missing renewal opportunities. He wasn't tracking client life cycles. He had zero visibility into who might churn next. Then he set up a CRM. He created tags for each client based on service tier. He built automations for quarterly check-ins. He tracked referral sources to double down on what worked. He added deal stages to follow every lead, from contact to contract. 12 months later, his revenue grew by 42%. Client retention jumped from 67% to 91%. He hired his first assistant. Because he had a clear pipeline, Martin didn't work harder. He worked smarter, and CRM was the brain behind the operation. What should a CRM track? Let's get specific. At minimum, your CRM should track contact info, DOH, lead source, deal stage, last communication date, notes and meeting summaries, email engagement, opens/clicks, follow-up reminders, custom tags, budget, interest, etc., lifetime value, renewal dates, and ideally, it should integrate with your other tools: Gmail, Outlook, Slack, Zoom, Calendly, Stripe, Xero, whatever you use. That way, your CRM becomes your control center. Client experience equals retention. Equals revenue. In finance, the client experience is everything. People trust you with their money. They expect you to be precise, responsive, and aware of their goals. CRM allows you to deliver that experience every time. You don't forget names. You don't miss deadlines. You show up informed. That's how trust is built. And trust equals long-term clients. How to start today? So now you're thinking, okay, I'm in. But how do I actually start using a CRM? Here's the simple roadmap. Pick your platform: HubSpot, Zoho, Pipedrive, Salesforce, Monday.com, or a finance-specific one like a Redtail or Wealthbox. Define your process. What's your lead flow? What stages does a deal go through? Import your data, spreadsheets, contacts, emails, get everything in. Build automations, start with a few. Welcome email, deal reminders, follow-up nudges. Check it daily. Your CRM should be your homepage. Optimize weekly. Look at reports. Clean up dead leads. Set new goals. Treat your CRM like your business partner, not just software. The big truth: CRM is not optional anymore. In 2020 and beyond, business moves fast. Clients expect speed, personalization, and consistency. You simply can't deliver that at scale without a CRM. So if you're serious about growing your financial business, not just staying busy, but scaling smart, this is your tool. CRM isn't a cost, it's an investment. In time, in clarity, and in future revenue. It's your command center, your memory bank, your personal growth engine. And the sooner you master it, the faster you stop leaving money on the table. So, what's your CRM strategy? Let me know in the comments. And if you found value in this, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this, where finance meets strategy, meets tech that actually works. Thanks for watching, and remember, systems don't limit you. They free you. Now go build yours.